Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and now we can find the watermark option. So by using the button from the right we can turn it on or turn it off as we need. We can also tap to the center to get access to short preview, and here also we can turn it on and off from the right. And this is how these watermarks look like. Samsung quad camera shot with my Galaxy A52 5G. Let's keep this turned on and move back to the camera to take a picture to see the watermark at the real one. Now we have to tap to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can also get closer to it here. And of course, when we don't need the watermark, we have to move back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down again to useful features, and tap here or tap to the center and turn it off in these settings. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.